Hello, in this lecture you'll learn how to insert some data into the database. So we will start with something very basic, and if you remember last time we created a little database. You can see it here, so we can go to the design if you want to take a look at that. And then also, if you don't see the database, if you've been watching the lectures right away and you just created, you turned that off, you don't see the database, you simply right click on the tables and you click refresh. So it refreshes and you should be able to see the table. Now we have one decimal, we have one text type. So we will try to insert that. Now to go to a query, to write a query here, you simply go to new query. Just like that, very simple. So it opens a new query, and inserting is very basic, very simple. You just have to remember the correct order in which the things go. So first of all, you write insert. You write insert like that, into. You write insert into. So what that specifies is which table you're going to insert it to. You write insert to, insert into actually. Let's do test table, and then we have a test table. So we have that, and then you need to specify the columns, just the columns first. So again, you have insert into test table, and then you specify in the parentheses the columns. So we can copy all of them. We don't actually need to put in the ID. It will be created automatically. So you copy this one, you paste it here, and you copy another one, and you paste it here. Now we need to do the values. So you write values for each column. So you do values, and then accordingly, in the same order that you have the columns, you will have values, and that's how the system will know what to insert where. So first of all, let's do a little text. Let's do testing text. You can actually do a space. So then we have a decimal, so let's do 2.35. And now we should have it. And to launch a query, you simply go up and you click execute. You click execute, and you have it executed. So you see, it's very simple, very easy to do. Now, in the next lecture, we will try to actually retrieve that, and you'll see how easy it is to do that, and also what are the ways to retrieve the data. So with that, we will conclude this lecture.